Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative number 5, we can put into positive number 4 minus number 9. This one, that is about identities. So we can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s minus number 2 equal to 3 cos t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 cos t square, number 9, we can do about factorization. Cos t square minus 1, we change by sin t square, and later that we simplify the square root. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3 sin t dt. So I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. So this one we have 9 cos t square, number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. This one we change by sin t square, and this one we have 3 sin t, number 3 and number 3 we have number 9, sin t and sin t we have sin t square. So we have the formula in here. Sin t square equals to cos 2t minus 1 over 2. So we put this one gone here. Number 2 I will put outside. The integration of cos 2t, we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1, that is about t, and I will put about c. About t in here, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And we have t equal to a cos of s minus number 2 over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.